Okay, it's Sunday the 14th of August, so let's have a look at the Ftse. And what I've done is I've scrolled out quite a lot on the chart, just so we can see things a little bit easier. Because what you can see is if we look at the recent price action, we don't have a lot to the left. So if we zoom in, you lose a lot of the stuff that we need to look at. First thing quickly, I am on holiday from tomorrow. So for a week, if you are trying to get in touch with me, especially through emails and stuff, responses will be delayed. I'm going to try and continue with the review video and then the other Sunday video next week. But it just completely depends. I'll be in New York, so there is quite a time difference. Okay, so let's have a look at the Ftse today. First thing we can see is what we've basically been doing is, since we shoved up all the way here, we've been pushing up, we've been pulling back. We then pushed up into very key levels, pulled back once again, and then we have shot up again. This type of price action, what we've been doing is creating a high, a low, a higher low, and then another high. Typical of a trending market is pullbacks like this. When we make the new high, we pull back into the previous high. That's where we find the reaction, and that's where the market bounces. So basically on the last couple of days of last week, what we can see is we shot up very strongly right here on the 11th of August. Main thing for me next week is I want to see if this is a false break up. By false break, what I mean is we've pushed up above very, very key levels. Let me just come over a little bit more. We've broken above very, very key levels here. Here, and here. Very strong support and resistance levels. We've broken above it. But what I want to see is if the market can maintain this price action or if it is a false break. A false break would simply be the market being ramped up to take out short positions. If people are looking at this to get short, when the market comes up here, they get short. Very typical, especially for retail traders. If they get short here, your stop just goes up. Here, the market comes up, takes out your stop, and then it does exactly what it was going to do in the first place. So I am watching to see if the market can maintain up at the above 6,900. In all honesty, I'm expecting it to pull back somewhat. If we do pull back, very nice areas to watch now. Right here, as we've just gone over when we make trending moves, like this. Where are we going to expect the buyers to step back in an attempt to continue this upward move? It's going to be at these levels right here. Other than that, what else I'm looking at, if we did start to or continue to make this bullish run, we're still in very, very key areas. We have this whole area up here, which is major resistance up here. If the market can get back up here, we're going to see reactions. The market's not just going to break right through these levels without any sellers coming into the market. So up here is very, very good places to start watching for sell positions. But also these pullbacks into key levels, they're going to be very, very nice. If the market does come down further, or you can see we've had the reactions here. And if this pullback becomes stronger, it's likely coming back into these levels here. Basically, this sort of 6,400 up to really 6,450, 6,460. This would be a more pronounced pullback. Let's have a look with the Fibonacci. I should point out I don't trade off of Fibonacci, but it's a very, very good tool for measuring your pullbacks. So first thing we can see is what we've got a 23.6% retracement, tying in very nicely with the level right here. 50% retracement, it's a little bit lower, but the 50 to 38.2 is coming into this key level also. These would both be bullish pullbacks. So by that I mean I would still consider the market to be uptrending if we've seen the reactions from these levels. That's really the only things to go over, guys. The way the market is moving currently in August, it is moving relatively slow, and then it's the American markets that are picking the volatility back up again. So for me in August, I don't really trade. In all honesty, if I wasn't doing the subscription service, I wouldn't be trading at all, but currently I'll only trade the first sort of hour and a half in the morning, and then I will call it a day. Volatility will start picking up again, probably in around about a week. It tends to happen from sort of 20th of August to the end of August as traders come back from holiday, and get back to work. That's when things start to pick up again. But that is the main areas to watch in the Ftse moving forward and into next week. I'll speak to you all when I get back from holiday. Apart from that, I hope you all have a great trading week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.